So first and foremost, I want to let you guys see that the weather has been pretty gloomy. Although it is not, um, I'm not allowing it to penetrate my aura. I'm accepting this gloom because it's always hot and it's actually pretty chilly. You need a hoodie. Yes, in Thailand, you need a hoodie. Take into account that I do live in the north side of Thailand. I do not live in the city. I live near the mountains, so of course it is a bit chillier, especially in the early morning and the late evening, night hours. And it is officially now wintertime here. They experience 3 seasons, not 4. They have summer, rainy season, and then winter. And winter is pretty pleasant because it gives you a break from the exhausting heat. And it gives you a chance to like switch up the monotony and switch up your wardrobe, just switch it up. It keeps people in the house a little more, which is great. But forget about people, just like it keeps me in the house. I love it. And what else? It's just great. It's great to experience. The greens are gonna start becoming brown, and that's okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna switch the camera. Oh, how do I do that? I don't even know how to switch the camera back to me.